What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video we are going to be reviewing, installing, and styling this bomb burgundy / reddish unit that was sent to me by Hermosa. You guys know I love Hermosa so freaking much. They're so raw. Their hair quality is so good. Guys, just look at these curls. These curls is not, look at me pulling this. These curls are not going nowhere, okay? Yes guys, so I'm actually so sad. I pre-did this video so long ago, and I'm gonna insert a few clips right here. I did go ahead and do this video, but I'm missing one of my SD cards, so when I had to go re-edit it because it was an issue with processing, I lost my old SD card. So guys, literally I'm missing clips, but this hairstyle was super raw. Shout out to the hairstylist that did do my hair, Miracle Me Effect. So if you're ever in the Broward area and you want to get your hair done by this stylist, definitely check her out. She's super raw. She was very creative, and we did a heart shape because it was supposed to be Valentine's Day theme, but that wasn't going to stop us. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this unit. As you guys see, this wig looks so fire. This color, everything, girl. It's giving Jessica Rabbit, it's giving bougie, it's giving bright. So if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts on this wig that was sent to me by Hermosa, if you guys want to see how we got these curls with a flat iron and how to reinstall your wig like a brand new wig, definitely keep on watching. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is grab my Ghost Bond glue, and we are going to glue down this hair cap. Now I've done this 1,000 times, and I tell you guys all the times, this is the best bald cap method. No more rolling up, none of that, okay? So what I'm doing is just making sure it's covering my ears, and then y'all, I almost cut my ear off. That hurts so freaking bad. I'm like, is it bleeding? But I was good. So I'm just cutting out my ear tabs, which you should do this first and then put the glue down, but either way they both still worked. So I'm just smoothing the glue down, making sure it is just nice and nice thin layer touching the skin. Then I'm gonna take my cream foundation from Ruby Kiss, and I'm in shade 09, and I'm just gonna rub that all over my cap. And this is what's gonna give that bald method, okay? It's gonna give scalp, it's gonna give ain't no braids under here, girl, okay? Now I'm just taking my schoolgirl scissors, and I'm just gonna cut this wig cap. So with the glue, like, it literally makes the perfect guideline. Like, the same direction that you apply the glue is the same way the scissors are just gonna glide effortlessly when you're cutting. It just makes life so much easier. So I'm just cutting off the excess cap, and before I cut off all the tabs, I'm literally going to tie it all the way in the back, okay? So this is also gonna help with the cap like not rolling up. So I don't know, it just helps so much. Anyways, this is the wig. So cute. I think this wig was so freaking bomb. This is how you know the wig is bomb, because when you could do a reinstall, because some wigs don't allow it. Y'all, I was hyping myself up. I'm like, look at this. I forgot what I look like in red. My little happy dance. Yes. So I'm just gonna roll this wig back, y'all. It looked like a bug right here. Like, I feel like I look like a bug. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Ghost Bond glue again, and we are just going to put this all over our forehead, okay? Then I'm just going to smooth this in. And what I used to smooth in, if you guys are curious, is I just take a napkin and I just kind of roll it into a square, and then I just use it to kind of smooth it in. So perfect. This is what we're looking like. So after everything dried down clear, I'm going to go ahead and place the wig down. So this is all you have to do with your reinstalls. Like, almost the same steps, but this part you want to get really close to whatever mirror you're using and just lay it down perfectly in front of your hairline. So whatever lace is remaining on your wig, you just want to lay it down perfectly in front of the hairline, push it in with your hands, and voila. I feel like reinstalls are low-key easier. Keep in mind, I did wash the wig off camera, so you want to remove all the excess glue, any product. This is what's going to help with your wig looking like brand new. So like I was telling you guys, I did go ahead and put on this headband for 10 to 15 minutes, and within that time I'm just hot combing. You guys know I don't play about my hot comb, girl. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. We're gonna go ahead and prep our edges, y'all. Now, I can't lie, I did not do the best with the edges this time, okay? It was doable. It wasn't clockable. It wasn't like anybody could call me out. But right here is where I made my mistake. Y'all see that? You know, when you start making them hand movements, you know you don't cut too short. But it's okay because you guys can barely probably tell. Like, I was able to finesse and finagle and, you know, the queen of finesse. So what I'm doing here is just taking my 1/2 inch flat iron and I am just curling under. You guys know when I have curly hair, I have the option of curling up or under, but straight body, any of it, I like to curl under. I just feel like it just looks better. All right, so with my Gots to Be glue, I'm going to speed the clips up because I show you guys how to do my edges all the time. And like I said, these are not my best edges, but basically I take my Gots to Be glue and I just kind of mold it on the hair. I just kind of mold it. And the way I do my edges is I do a C-shape motion, letter C-shape motion, and that's pretty much it. Like, sometimes my edges come out raw and sometimes they come mediocre, but I still feel like the look just gave. So with my little shearing blade, I'm just going to frame my face just a tad bit, just a tiny bit. So with the flat iron curls, I'm flattening the roots, okay? I'm turning the flat iron towards me, flipping the hair over the flat iron and literally pulling down while I slowly turn the flat iron. Okay, that sounded like a whole bunch of jibber jabber, but you guys can see what I'm doing here, and hopefully you guys are able to achieve flat iron curls. I don't know, don't kill me when I say this, but I'm a flat iron girl. Like, I love me a flat iron over barrel curls. I don't know if I just don't know how to do barrel curls well, but flat iron, look at this curl, y'all. Look at how perfect this is. I'm not getting this with a barrel. Like, I'm just not. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up the clip and do this all over my head. Guys, so what I'm doing is copying and pasting both sides. This is what we're looking like with a full head of curls. Very Sherlocky, but I'm gonna do my face off camera and this is what I'm looking like. If you guys want a little tutorial on how I did my makeup, especially with the red eyebrows, I'll be dropping that video soon. But this is what the Hermosa wig is looking like. Very, very full. You guys see this? Very, very full hair. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands to comb out the curls. I'm still working on my flat iron curls because as you see, this side looks different from that side. I don't know. I changed the direction that I curled both sides in so it could curl better, but I don't know. I still ended up getting a pretty cute look at the end. Like, it was looking pretty cute, as you guys see right here. This is when it was like, oh, okay, yeah, it's giving, it's giving. Shout out to Hermosa. This hair is just fire, like, period. Alrighty, my love, so that is the end of today's video. I love you guys so freaking much. I hope you guys been noticing me just posting more consistently, whether it be hair videos, makeup videos, all the above. You guys know I'm all things beauty. So this wig is so freaking fire. I just love how these curls are just holding on for dear life. Like, oh my god, I love that so much. These curls are so bomb. You guys know I love Hermosa. I've worked with them so many times. They're so bomb, so fire. This color is to die for. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, check out the description box below. I have some purchasing links in there. Also, I have my personalized promo codes so you guys can get some discounts, all of that good stuff. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hate this part because I just want to be with you guys all day, but that is the end of today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.